Hello friends, good morning. Now it's time for activity 7. Let me read the instruction for you. In this activity, you need to write some answers. So please open your textbook, page number 11. A. Work in pairs. Your friend is asking you about your plan. You have some ideas, but you are not sure. Choose the words from the list and write sentences with I may. Here are the list of words. I am reading them also. Sunday, rice, t-shirt, buy bus, go on a picnic. Let us read the example. Example A says, where are you going for your holidays? B says, I'm not sure. I may go to Shimla. Friends, here the hint is go to Shimla. So, B has used this hint. Let us read the answer once again. B says, I am not sure. I may go to Shimla. Let us see one more example. A says, how will you go there? By bus or car? B says, I may go by car. As you can see, the hint is go by car. We have 5 questions and you need to write answers here using the clues. Examples ની સાથે ઉપરના ભાગમાં જે વર્ડ્સ આપેલા હતા તેનો ઉપયોગ કરીને પણ આપણે સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવી શકીએ. Let's start with question number 1. What are you doing at the weekend? Hint is watch a movie. What will be the answer? You are right. The answer is I may watch a movie. તો આપણે આ હિન્ટનો ઉપયોગ કરીને આગળના એક્ઝામ્પલ પરથી સેન્ટેન્સ બનાવ્યું. I may watch a movie. Let's move to next question. Question number 2 is, how are you going to school? The hint is by foot. Let's see the answer. It is I may go by foot. Very good. How are you going to school? And the answer is I may go by foot. Okay, time for question number 3. What are you taking in dinner tonight? And the hint is rice and dal. The option is rice and dal. Please remember, I am not sure whether I am going to take rice and dal or khichdi or rotlo. But rice and dal is an option. So what will be the sentence? I may take rice and dal. Question 4. What are you buying from the garment shop? Let me give you the hint. Jeans and t-shirt. And what will be the answer? Chalo fatafat. I may buy jeans and t-shirt. Last question. When are you going for a movie? The hint is next Friday. I may go next Friday. તો ફરી એકવાર તમારી સ્ક્રીન ઉપર બધા જ આન્સર એક સાથે છે. જોઈ અને લખી શકો છો. નાઉ ઇટ્સ ટાઈમ ફોર એક્ટિવિટી 7B. Friends, in activity 7B, there are some dialogues. The first dialogue is an example. ચાલો જોઈ લઈએ ગીતા અને મોના શું વાત કરે છે. ગીતા says, "What are you doing in the evening?"
Mona says, nothing special.
Geeta says, "Okay. Can you come to my house in the evening? Because my parents booked the tickets for Mumbai. They might leave tonight. I might have good company."
Mona says, certainly, I will come.
So friends, ગીતા અને મોનાનો ડાયલોગ સાંભળ્યો ને? They are planning to spend a night together and have fun. અને તમારું ધ્યાન ચોક્કસ ગયું હશે કે અહીંયા આપણે કઈ રીતે સેન્ટેન્સ ફ્રેમ કરવાનું છે. તમારી પાસે ટેક્સ્ટ બુક પણ છે અને ખુલ્લી છે. તમારું ધ્યાન અંડરલાઇન કરેલા બોલ્ડ કરેલા વર્ડ્સ પર ગયું જ હશે. આ સમજણનો ઉપયોગ કરીને વી આર ગોઈંગ ટુ કમ્પ્લીટ ડાયલોગ્સ. અહીંયા આ એક્ટિવિટીમાં ડાયલોગ્સ આપેલા છે એન્ડ હિન્ટ પણ આપેલી છે. Two people are talking to each other and what the one person is answering or saying is based on the hint. Dialogue number 1. Rahul says, "The sky is very cloudy." And the hint is rain. રેઇનનું પિક્ચર તમે જોઈ રહ્યા છો. તો મેહુલ શું રિપ્લાય કરશે? મેહુલ સેઝ, "It blank rain today." The answer will be might. Mehul says, "It might rain today." Now dialogue number 2. Bunty says, "My homework is incomplete." And the hint is punish. Now what Monty replies? Monty says, "The class teacher blank punish you tomorrow." Punish is the hint. So what will be the answer? Might. Monty replied, "The class teacher might punish you tomorrow." Now let's move ahead and read dialogue number 3. Ketan says, "My name is there in merit list." And the hint is admission. So Veena replies, "You blank." What will be the answer? The answer is might get admission. Very good. Now let's read dialogue 4. Tejas says, "India needs blank." And the option is runs. Amit says, "We might win the game." અરે આમાં આન્સર તો આપી દીધો. હવે આપણે તેજસનો ડાયલોગ બનાવવાનો છે. ડાયલોગ 1, 2 અને 3માં જે રીતે કામ કર્યું એના કરતાં આ કામ થોડું જુદું છે. વી હેવ ધ આન્સર. અમિત રિપ્લાઇઝ, "We might win the game." સો કેમ એવું કહે છે with doubt કે we might win the game? Amit is not saying we will win the game because there is some uncertainty. So what will come in the blank? Tejas says, "India needs 4 runs from 4 balls." આના બદલે તમે એવું પણ લખી શકો કે India needs 2 runs from 1 ball. or 4 runs from 1 ball. Okay, now the last dialogue. Papa says blank and the option is strike. હવે આપણે જવાબ જોવો પડશે. Rinal says we might not get the bus today. Might not get the bus. તો શું હોઈ શકે? બસ અને ઓપ્શનમાં આપ્યું છે સ્ટ્રાઇક. યસ, બસ સ્ટ્રાઇક એટલું તો બની ગયું. What will be the remaining words? Let's see. Papa says there is a bus strike. Bus strike hoy એટલે answer is Rinal says we might not get the bus today. ચાલો લખી લો.
Let's start activity number 8. I am reading the instructions. Read the following sentences and make changes according to the situation. Here are some examples for you. Let's see the first. The exam will start at 11 a.m. Reach the school before 10:45 a.m. That means you must reach the school before 10:45 a.m. Let's see the next example. The Gujarat Express arrives at 7 p.m. It is 6:50 p.m. So you must walk fast to catch the train because you have only 10 minutes left to catch the train. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, એક્ટિવિટી 8માં there are 10 sentences for you. તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? Use must and frame the sentences. Mind well, there can be one or more than one answers for each sentence. So, are you ready with your pen and notebook? Let's begin with the first sentence. I lost the key of my house. I don't have another key. Now think, what can be done in this situation? ઘણીવાર એવું પણ બને છે કે તમારી સાયકલની કી ખોવાઈ ગઈ હોય. આવી પરિસ્થિતિમાં તમે શું કરો છો એ અંગે જ વિચારીને તમે આનો જવાબ પણ આપી શકશો. Think, what can be the answer? In this situation, let's see what can be the answer. There are two options. I must break the lock or I must call the key maker to make a duplicate key. Let's see the next sentence. Today is the last date for paying the electricity bill. Use must and try to change this situation. Let's see my answer. I must pay the electricity bill today. Why? Because today is the last date for paying the electricity bill. Let's see the next sentence. You are sick and it is raining. Don't go outside. Here you are sick and it is raining outside. If you go outside in rain, it is not good for your health. So looking at this situation, make necessary change, use must, and frame the sentence. Take your time. Okay, let's compare your answer with the answer given here. You must not go outside while it is raining. Why? Because it is not good for your health as you are sick. માદા હોઈએ ત્યારે વરસાદમાં બહાર જઈએ તો તબિયત વધારે બગડે. So it is compulsory that you must not go outside while it is raining. આપણે વાક્યો તો સોલ્વ કરી રહ્યા છીએ, પણ તમે તમારી નોટબુકમાં લખી રહ્યા છો ને? Let's see the next sentence. You are weak at maths. Tomorrow you have maths exam and you are watching TV. Now think, what will happen if you watch TV and you have exam tomorrow? Correct. If you watch TV today and tomorrow is your exam, definitely you will not get good marks in your maths exam. So let's see what is my answer. You must not watch TV, because if you watch TV today, you will not get good marks in maths. So you must study seriously and sincerely today. Students, I hope you are writing in your notebook. Don't forget to write any answer. અને હા, spellings જોતા રહેજો, ક્યાંય ભૂલ ન થાય. Let's see the next sentence. You need a lot of energy. Don't eat junk food. યાદ રાખો, junk food is very good in taste, but it is not good for health. We like it. So in this situation, what is your answer? Use must and change the situation. Let's see my answer. You must not eat junk food. You must not eat junk food. Students, we completed 5 sentences. Now it is your turn. Rest of the sentences, that is sentence number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, you have to solve them and write them down in your notebook. Don't forget to use must. Use must and change all the sentences. If you feel that there is some difficulty, you can take the help of earlier sentences, that is sentence number 1 to 5. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, એક્ટિવિટી નંબર 8ના માધ્યમથી આપણે મસ્ટ એટલે શું એ સમજ્યા અને સાથે સાથે મસ્ટનો ઉપયોગ કેવી પરિસ્થિતિમાં કરી શકાય એ પણ જાણ્યું. નાઉ લેટ્સ પ્રોસીડ ફર્ધર વિથ એક્ટિવિટી નંબર 9 and that is on the same page, page number 12. તમારા ગામ, શહેર કે વિસ્તારમાં પૂર આવવાથી ખૂબ જ નુકસાન થયું છે. સરકાર દ્વારા આર્થિક સહાય તથા અન્ય સગવડો પૂરી પાડવામાં આવશે. ગ્રુપમાં કામ કરો અને તમારા ગામ, શહેર કે વિસ્તારના નવીનીકરણ માટેનું આયોજન લખો. આ આયોજનમાં તમારે કેટલાક શબ્દોનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે, જેની ચિત્ર સાથે આપણે સમજ પણ કેળવીશું. યુ મે યુઝ વર્ડ્સ ફ્રોમ ધીસ લિસ્ટ. લાઇબ્રેરી, હોસ્પિટલ, theater, school, पंचायत ऑफिस, गार्डन, लेक, सिनेमा हॉल, टेम्पल, चर्च, mosque, water tank, dairy, street lights, post office, bank, shops. Students, I hope you have understood these words with the help of pictures. Now, let's move to do activity number 9. Activity number 9 માં આપણે એક મેપ તૈયાર કરવાનો છે અને એ મેપ તૈયાર કરવા માટે આપણે એક્ટિવિટી 9માં આપેલા સેન્ટેન્સીસનો ઉપયોગ કરવાનો છે. અહીંયા આ સેન્ટેન્સીસનો ઉપયોગ કરી મેપ કેવી રીતે તૈયાર કરી શકાય એનું આપણે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું અને ત્યારબાદ તમારે તમારા ગ્રુપમાં આ જ વર્ડ્સનો ઉપયોગ કરીને એક મેપ તૈયાર કરવાનો છે. તો લેટ્સ સી ધ મેપ વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ સેન્ટેન્સીસ. There will be a library near the school. Here in this scene, you can see that there is a library near the school. We can build a panchayat office in the center of the village. We will like to have a cinema hall in our village. There will be a garden beside the lake. Here you can also see that there is a lake in the village and there is a garden beside the lake. There must be a hospital in the village. Along with school, library, panchayat office, cinema hall, lake, garden, hospital, there are so many places which can be there in our village. So don't forget to place them in your map. Like, let's see, there will be a bank in our village. There can be a post office next to bank. There will be a theater and that is near to cinema hall. So we can plan a theater and cinema hall near to each other. There will be some shops and there will be a beautiful playground for children. Along with it, you can see some empty places in the map. Here you can plan more things that you want in the planning of your village, like water supply system in your map. You can show trees in your map. Along with trees and water supply system, you can plan so many other places. So students, it was my planning. It was the map prepared by me, and you can prepare your map wherein you can add so many other places like mosque, temple, church, dairy, water supply system, and so many other things. Now it is your turn. You have to make a small group and prepare your own map. You can follow the guideline or helpline given at the end of page number 12. So students, do plan your map. I hope you all have enjoyed the activities of unit number 1. And you have started loving English too. In the next class, we shall meet with a new activity. Till that time, goodbye, take care.
Today's question: we blank not eat junk food. Option A might, B must, C may, D can. You have to choose correct answer and send your response to this toll-free number 6357399488.